Welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. In today's episode of our weekly Data Science Project series, we'll forecast future sales using time series analysis. Whether you're just starting or building your portfolio, this one's perfect for you. We're going to use historical sales data from 2022 to 2024 to predict future sales. You'll learn how to visualize trends and build forecasting models using ARIMA and Facebook Profit. Our dataset contains daily sales from January 2022 to December 2024. It has two columns, date and sales. Each row shows the total sales for that day. PD._m. Make sure our dates are in proper format. We set the date as the index to use time series functions. Resample ensures daily data, and FILNA fills missing days by carrying forward the last value. We're visualizing how sales fluctuate over time. This helps us spot trends, seasonality, or sudden changes before modeling. ARIMA stands for Auto-Regressive Integrated Moving Average. Order equals 5 when 1 color means 5 lags for autoregression, 1 difference to make data stationary, and 0 for moving average. We forecast the next 30 days based on learned patterns. Profit requires column names DS, date, and Y, value. It models trend, seasonality, and holidays automatically. We create a future data frame and predict sales for 30 days ahead. Profit generates clean and interactive forecasts, including uncertainty intervals, very handy for business planning. Today, you learned how to prepare time series data, visualize sales trends, and forecast future performance using two powerful models. A must-have skill for any data analyst or data scientist. Challenge for you. Use this approach to forecast temperature, energy usage, or website traffic. Drop a comment or share your results tagging "Let's Talk About Data." Next Saturday, join us for Project 5, Fake News Detection. We'll use NLP and machine learning to identify misinformation in news articles. You don't want to miss this one. If you enjoyed this project, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're dropping weekly data projects every Saturday at 7 PM CET on Let's Talk About Data. See you next week.